What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a lot going on up here. We have Rodrigo inside. You can't see right now because that truck is blocking it, but he's inside working on the exhaust on that truck. I'll show you in a second what is going on. This plow we have to, is it this? Yeah, this plow we have to load in the back of this mason dump later to go down to our other shop, because it is for one of the trucks up here that works down there. And over there in our salt bin, I have our loader running, and I have to organize all the plows. But let me show you this, and then we'll go over there. This exhaust, we have all new pieces here. 1, 2, 3, a couple clamps and stuff, because over here we have one hole here, and then over here, right next to the oil pan, we have another crack. I don't know how well you can see that there, but we got a couple holes in this exhaust, so obviously we got to change it. I'm over here in our salt pen area, and I have our loader warming up. Well, one of them. That's the one I'm going to use to move everything. But we have plows all over the place here. We got a bunch along the fence, some in front of the salt bin. I have a couple more over here, and we have a bunch down in the side here. So I have to organize all of these plows and get them pretty much all back in here. So there's a couple that we need, like this one will have to stay towards the front. That'll be the fourth to the front. This will be the third to the front. That'll be the second to the front, and then the first one over there will be the very first one in this row once we're done. That one right there goes on the one truck that we have in our shop that we are working on right now. That actually comes up here to plow, and obviously when it gets up here, we're gonna have to throw that plow on. So let me hop in this machine and start grabbing these plows. I'm gonna move this one first, obviously, because it's right in the middle of the way, and then hopefully we can get all this organized the way that we need to.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so I got the loader parked over there with the bucket back on it, threw the boom back in our shop over there, and all of these plows are back where we need them. As you can tell, we have a lot of spare plows, so it goes all the way to the back there. Threw a couple up on top, and we left the couple that these two are potential spares. This one goes on the one truck that we have at our shop, and these two both have to go down to our shop, so that is why we left them out here. But now we have no more plows on our fence line here. We can get this all cleaned up, and we threw one wing over here that is just another spare. This plow is out of here. My dad is either giving it or selling it to somebody, he said. So that will get out of here probably in the next couple weeks. But unfortunately, our day here is coming to an end because Rodrigo pulled the exhaust off, and one of the pieces that we need happens to be different than what they gave us. We'll show you guys in 2 seconds when I get over here, but it's not even close to the same. So I'm running upstate back to this place to pick up the correct one. I already talked to the guys, but this piece here is the one that we need, and obviously that one is what they gave us. So the bend isn't right. If I was to spin this, you could tell it's not even close. So this is only like 4 inches where this is like 10, and it doesn't line up at all. So even over there, there's a 90 down towards the ground when it should just go right into this flex pipe here. So I brought the old one with me. The guy sent me a picture of one that he has, and it looks right, but I want to make sure when I get there. So I'll return the other one and grab that piece, and maybe tomorrow or one of the days in the coming weeks we'll come back up here and finish. It's already pulled apart, so all we got to do is put the new pieces back on and call it a day. But I think that pretty much wraps it up for today. I got a couple hours of driving ahead of me to go pick this up. Rodrigo is going to go down to our shop and get that other truck put back together. So if you guys have any questions, comments about anything you saw here, definitely leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.